What's up, Big Red Report? John Gaskins from 93.7 The Ticket. It's the Gaskins and Stevens Show. It's every day from 11 to 2 here in Lincoln and online at theticketfm.com. The College World Series just got a little spicier at TD Ameritrade Park in downtown Omaha. And they're looking for flavor in year 2 of that ballpark because those that love the state fair atmosphere at Rosenblatt looking for something to get excited about and to start giving this new ballpark some history and identity. They've got it. It's not coming from Stony Brook, the darlings of the tournament out of the America East Conference from Long Island. It might be Kent State, who upset first seed Florida, sent the Gators packing, but instead it comes from an old friend from Nebraska, Dave Van Horn, who took the Huskers to Rosenblatt, the Field of Dreams, the unthinkable other side of the moon, back in 2001, 2002. Van Horn is back with Arkansas for a third time, but unlike the other 2 times, the Razorbacks are in position to contend for a national title, and they got there by beating South Carolina 2-1 on Monday night. The Gamecocks had won 22 postseason games in a row, 12 in a row in Omaha, and the Razorbacks shut them down playing Dave Van Horn baseball. Scrappy, great defense, clean, good pitching. He's gotten them to believe the same way he did with his Huskers 11 years ago, and the way he's done it now with 6 different teams over the course, or 6 different teams, 2 different programs over the course of the last decade plus. The question now is, are fans in Lincoln, who are usually fairly overall not the biggest CWS viewers, do you now flip on the TV switch to watch your old buddy Van Horn? Do you now go up to Omaha, maybe pay for a ticket, sit in the hot sun, and see if it captivates you the way he did with the Huskers back in that year of 2001? Because Van Horn was known as definitely the savior of the program, and he wasn't really known as a big trader when he decided to leave for his alma mater after the 2002 College World Series. And why? Because Nebraskans are fairly forgiving people. They also thought Rob Childress, his pitching coach, was a big key to the success. Childress stayed on as associate head coach with head coach Mike Anderson, and it felt like the train was going to stay on the tracks for Nebraska baseball, which it did for a few years. Meanwhile, Van Horn went to Arkansas. He struggled to go above 500 in maybe the nation's best conference, but he's taken 3 teams to the CWS, and if he gets to the championship round, you gotta wonder if Omaha fans are going to adopt the Razorbacks and Dave Van Horn and help him get his signature moment as a baseball coach that they all wish he would have gotten with Nebraska. It's just a weird deal. The guy who left the state after building the program now gets to take his old program possibly to the promised land. It'll be real interesting to see what the reception will be, how the ratings might spike, especially here in Lincoln, where we don't really care unless the Huskers make it. For Big Red Report Magazine, BigRedReport.com, I'm John Gaskins from 93.7 The Ticket.